Up on Grandview Point.
Get out the way, kids. Where'd you park?
The backpacker parking's up there.
Oh, okay.
It's time to start unloading our stuff at Grandview Point and get it in the Beamer. What's up, bud? What's up, Dave? We just got to Lippin Point. Let's check out the views. This is pretty insane. We're gonna be hiking all the way down that canyon today. 35. What do we got? Rock and roll. Tanner Trailhead. So far this trail's been pretty shady. It's a straight downhill for 9 miles. And it's pretty steep. Watch out for poop. I spy a tiny hiker. It's taken us a whopping 35 minutes to go 1 mile. It's pretty cool. We just came all the way down from there. Hey, good morning. Yeah. Y'all trying to get some shade? Hungry?
Maybe have a snack and electrolyte up and stuff.
We just hit the 3.5 mile mark and have gone down about 1,800 feet, but at about mile 2.5, there's a 300-foot climb. Wasn't too bad, but it's warm out here. We've got our last bit of downhill coming up, which is another 3,000 feet. Help us think of a trail name for Chelsea. Got Jet Boil Joe,
Jet Boil,
Avalanche Adam, I'm Downhill Dave. So we're stopping for a mile 4 update. If we turn around here, we can see the Grand Canyon. All right, so we got about 5 more miles to go. It's gonna be a tough decline, so we're gonna be taking it pretty slow. We'll get there. We got a river to look forward to, a lot of water, food and beer at the bottom. At least it's a trail and not like over rocks like last time.
That's where Chelsea. This shit sucks. A tough day so far. A lot of heading downhill. Yep. But yeah, takes a toll on your legs. What are we, about halfway through, Dave?
Yeah. Everyone's getting pretty tired. We haven't had lunch yet. This is off for some snacks. It's 2:30 right now and we're probably only about halfway down the canyon. It's just a lot tougher than we thought it would be. Going downhill, it's very rocky. Just kind of got to be careful with each step. And my man Avalanche Adam back there is looking solid. He's got some sore knees, some sore feet. But he's got a strong heart, so he's gonna make it to the bottom. right, I'm calling this the 8-mile update. We thought we were tired before, but now it's just painful. Adam's got some sore knees and my feet are pretty sore. Chelsea's the only one that's just like powering through and not complaining. So she's probably the toughest of us all. We just made it to Tanner Beach. So this is where we're camping for the night. The water looks pretty awesome from here. It's flowing pretty strong, and we're gonna go find a campsite to stay at. We're gonna make this our home. Right there. It's 6:45 in the middle of the Grand Canyon. We just woke up after sleeping for 9 hours, so we're feeling refreshed and ready to go for day 2. Today we're planning on hiking 9 miles to our next campsite at the Escalante Beach. It's breakfast time. What are we having?
We are having some pumpkin pecan oatmeal.
It's go time, day 2. We're headed to Escalante Beach. 9 more miles to go. Coming in hot. So it looks like our trail's leading us all the way across this little ridge.
Scraping poles, accomplishing goals.
Yeah, we're doing good. Crushing through it today.
Zigzagging through and nothing real, you know.
You haven't had any shade or coverage for about 3 hours. We're finally coming up on some shade here, so that should be pretty nice for us. My foot is about as raw as it can feel, and I'm starting to develop a limp. One good little step. Down 75 Mile Creek after going down this little rock wall. At first we weren't really 100% sure that we're going the right way, but this leads out towards the river, which should put us near Neville's Rapids. Got him. Here's our last little bit of sunshine before we get to Papagoa Creek. We don't really know what time it is because daylight savings time was yesterday. We don't have service out here, so it might be 4:40. Yeah, this is not cool. Just slide down. Get me off this mountain. Give me a high five. Let's go find a camp spot. Day 2 was a long one. It was 12 miles and it took us 8 hours. We finally made it to our campsite at the Papagoa Beach, and let's check it out. Here's our tent where me and Chelsea will be staying. Ow, I stepped in something pokey. Ah!
Adam found our rock.
All right, Adam's got a nice
Got us a dining table.
rock, and there's our river just overlooking. Can't wait to go to sleep. Here's a morning view of our stay last night along the river.
I used to have 5 toenails, and not sure I will anymore after this trip.
Little black one there. Little black one there. Bye toenails. That's right where they went up. Do you guys want to hand me your bags? You already at the top, Joe? You gotta hand them to me so I can grab that hook. That might be a better idea, just to take mine off too and just throw it up there. Do you want me to hand me your bag?
Yeah, I think so.
Give me the green strap. All right, I got it.
Should I go up or should I?
Yeah, go ahead. Okay, hand me the bag. I got it. Chelsea, can you grab one of these? One sec. Yeah, that you can hook right under there. And we're pretty much up there. Whew.
Man.
Hey, high five.
The stuff we did.
You all right, man?
Still got a little bit more.
I'm a little shaky too. Now where do we go?
There's cairns right up there, so I think we go that way.
How you feeling?
I'm not
It
feeling good in
wasn't
general. I feel dizzy for some reason.
I honestly felt like walking along some of those cliffs were scarier.
All right, let's
Rock slide now.
Yeah, let's go see this rock slide. Rafters. Cool.
What is this?
Poop.
You think we're going down this?
Yes.
Look, there's all cairns like along this thing.
Yeah.
You see that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was like the
Step down in. Looks like it gets a little better though. I kind of don't want to just, it's a big jump and go this way and crawl along these rocks. I got it.
Scraping.
I can't believe we just came down that. That wall was nothing compared to this. Boot, scoot, and boogie. I don't know which way we go. Is it this way? Or this way? Tonto Trail. and Solomon Temple. Here's our campsite for the night. Where are we?
Hands Creek.
Hands Creek, night 3. You could see Joe and Adam coming down right over there.
Chill here in the chill zone.
Hey guys,
Hey, welcome to the next episode of Cribs Backpacking Edition. I'm going to take you on a tour of our campsite tonight at Hands Creek. Last night in the Grand Canyon of our 3-night, 4-day backpacking trip. So we got our Big Agnes copper spur tent right here with our Thermarest sleep gear inside. Very nice and cozy. Gotta do laundry after the stinky, sweaty days on the trail. Our comfy couches we got, one here, one on the other side. It's always key as well to find a bunch of rocks to set your gear on while you're chilling by your campsite, because you don't want to get all your stuff dirty. And thanks for hanging out with me.
we left the New Hands Springs campground at 6 a.m. this morning. We've gone about 1.5 miles up the Grandview Trail, and we're looking forward to getting to the top. We have 4,000 feet of climbing in about 5 miles. We just came up on Last Chance Mine.
We going up though.
Let's go that way.
It's not as big as that one we saw in
I feel like my legs are honestly gonna fall off right now. It's a lot colder up here.
Yeah!
Yes! Woo! I'm really proud of our group. We're gonna go get back up to Lippin Point so that we can get our car and get our way home.